consistency, discipline, and the right psychology are the ingredients, and some of the ingredients that are required for a trader to be successful in this industry. This is FX Smashing It. What is going on, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. To my subscribers that have been following me, thank you very much. And also for those that are new to this channel is based on technical analysis, specifically price action, where I show you breakdowns of the trades I took, lost and won, as well as also any useful tips that would help our trading. Now, trading is about finding yourself in the right side of the market, trying to make profits of the initial investment or capital you put into the market. The market is never easy. You are the one that needs to adopt a style that would be good for you to find yourself in the right side of the market. Now, my methodology is based on simple break and retest, where I allow a strong trend on a higher time frame to break past a strong level and come to retest that level. Once it retests that level, it gives me candlestick in the direction of the trend. Then I will be looking out for an opportunity in that trend, whether be it a sell or a buy. This week has been good. I took a lot of trades, but I will be showing you a few trades I took, and maybe I'll just add one or two indices and try to look out for what's gonna probably be in the coming week. I also finished. I took a FTMO challenge trials, so I just want to see how I perform, and I was able to reach the profit target. I think I understand it's a 2 weeks trials, and I was able to in 9 days. I was able to get the reach the target, and it was really good. It was a $100,000 trials, and I was able to get to 10,000, which is the minimum target. And also I'll show you a few trades and all that. Let's go to the chart now to see how things went. Back to the screen now. I will show you the FTMO challenge trials I took and my results. Now, this is my page, this is my dashboard, and this is what you see when you open your account. Then you click metrics. Now it was a balance of $100, increased to 110. Now this was the account size, 100,000, and FTM account. You can see it went up to profit. I made $10,000 profit, and the last update was 29 October 2022, 10:53:37. That's a local time. Yeah, so it's 29th today, as you can see, 29th. Saturday, New Zealand time. So, yeah. Then also this is the summary. Minimum 5 days trading. I traded in 9 days. Then summary, I passed it. And daily, the daily losses minus. This is the maximum losses I can exceed. But this is you can see it minus 136.17. All these ones were passed. Target is 10,000. I reached $10,114. So once all these summaries is passed like this, then you have reached the profit target. Now, no much time to play around there. You can see my entries. Now, this is the most important part of all the trade I took. A summary. Now, 27th, not too much. 26th. These 2 days, 26th and 25th, were the best days where I actually traded a lot, and I found good opportunities. And this day I made $6,000. This one was 2,000. This one was 908, and addition of all those ones together was able to make me to reach up to $10,000. So that's how I passed it. And my profit factor was 13.11. My win rate is 79.67, which is good. Expectancy project hypothetical value of the so it's 82.23. Total loss size I used was 212. So that's how it went. I was able to pass that using my simple break and retest. And now let's go to the chart now. I will just show you two forex pairs I took, and they went well. This was a GBPNZD. I identified this as I traded a reversal. I traded a reversal. Now this was on the 15 minutes time frame. So I think I usually go on 4 hours time frame. Normally, I usually go on a 4 hours. Then what I do is I always try to use the 4 hours to identify key levels. So I go to 4 hours, identify key levels, draw this tick horizontal lines, because areas where the market has rejected multiple times. You can see this pushing to the upside, another engulfing candle. This one it shows a reversal. Once you see an engulfing candle like this, it's a sign of a reversal. Then also you see multiple rejections here, and also this one. So I drew a strong line from the left side, coming from the left side, because of all this rejection as well. This one came here. So you can see the rejection. This is an engulfing bullish candlestick, and also you can see reactions here. So I drew this line here. Then I identified that after the market has played from here, I started paying attention to this trade. Then once the market was around here, the price was around here, it pulled back here, and I saw that it reacted back. So I went to a 15 minutes time frame for my entry. So this is the consolidation I was talking about. Now when you step down, this is what you see on the 15 minutes time frame. The market was here, and what I was looking for was a clear candlestick that shoots to the upside. I want to trade the reversal of this after the market has pulled back from this consolidation. So it came around, it played here. I just waited a little bit. It came down here. Then what I was expecting was that, let me just use a playback. Okay, what I was expecting that once the market comes here and bounces here, I'll take a trade. Also, what's happening? Okay, so as my play key is misbehaving. So now once the market came down here, I was looking for a candlestick, and if you look at this clearly, try to see one clear candlestick to the upside. Once it closed, then I took a trade here, and my take profit was here, and my stop loss was just under this strong support here. This is support level, support resistance. So I traded a reversal here. Yeah, so that's how I caught this trade. I'm just trying to make this video short as possible. NZDUSD is another pair I took, which went very well. NZDUSD. First of all, this is the trade GBPNZD I was talking about. This is how I entered it. It came after the consolidation. It came down here. I already marked this level as a strong level. I was waiting for the price to come down and give me a strong candlestick, bullish candlestick to the upside, and it did that, and I entered there. That's how I took the trade. Even before then, I think I took a screenshot of the trade GBP. I took it, if I can remember, and I don't know if I can. NZD. Yeah, so well, anyway, let's just go to the next one now. NZDUSD played out very fine for me as well. I think it played out very fine for me. NZDUSD, I actually scalped this one. Yes, I scalped this one with very good lot size. Now this is what I did. I'll show you what I did on my phone. This is my Telegram group, so I just opened it, and I'll show you what I did with the. Now this is what I did. See, NZDUSD 15 minutes time frame. You can see that I identified a double top, double bottom here. When I identified the double bottom here, like a W shape, I started stacking. You can see multiple entries here under this 15 minutes time frame. That is, this point. It was this point, right? This was when when the market came up here to this point, I scalped this. When it got up here, I closed it because the US dollar was showing significant strength against the NZD, and once the US dollar starts doing that, it means that this thing might not, the market might not necessarily go travel far. So what I did was to stack it. I knew it's going to reverse here, but I don't know how far it's going to travel. So I decided to, when it got around here, before it came down again, got the strength of USD, I jumped out. That's so you can see that the market came up and came down. Now I did that because the USD is very strong these days. US dollar is stronger than NZD, so it's more likely for the market to push to the downside. This thing likely to push even further down here and break this level. So I just scalped this and I got very good entries and a good profit. Yeah, so how did I go about this? Still trading the reversal. Now I already identified this level as a strong level. Then I started seeing multiple rejection here and identified a double top here. Then I started stacking, then there was a drawdown, then it started to push up. Then around here I stopped. Here was my take profit actually. My take profit point, but I was expecting the market to push more further, but I saw the way the US dollars was gaining strength, and once the US dollar gains strength, this thing will push to the downside, so it's going to be difficult for running into losses, and I don't want to run. I don't want to close the week in losses. So how do I know the US dollar is gaining strength? You can see from here that this is DXY. DXY gives you the strength of the US dollar in the picture. Now the market was the US dollar was here. If the US dollar was pushing, if this DXY is the index for the US dollars, once it's pushing upwards, you know that it's US dollar is gaining strength, and directly you will see that that there's a corresponding impact in the NZD pairs. So once the US dollar is gaining strength, it's going to push downwards. You can't buy, you have to sell. But because of the weakness at some point of the US dollars, that's why I scalped this one. You can see it hasn't traveled that much, and it has been playing around here for quite a while. So that's how we trade. Now my methodology is simply based on simple break and retest. If you have a strong candlestick here, a strong horizontal a key level here, and now the key level can be created as a result of multiple rejection in the market. So you identify the zone on a 4 hours time frame. Then let's assume the trend is a buy trend. It's coming, the market is coming from under, pushing to the upside. Allow the market on the higher time frame to break past the strong level, wait for it to retest, then look for candlestick in this direction, in this buy direction. Look for a candlestick in that direction. Once the strong clear candlestick breaks, then you cannot take a buy. That is what my methodology is based on. That's what it's based on. I usually step down to 15 minutes time frame to look for the opportunities to enter the trade. Now also, if you have a trend, coming downwards, a sell trend. Let's assume the market is pushing to the downward like this. I'll wait for it to break past the strong level, retest, and give me a candlestick in the direction of the trend. Clear candlestick in the direction of the trend. Okay, then I'll take what is sell. Sell from that point. That's what my methodology is based off. So that's how I trade. Now looking forward to the coming week, let's just take two indices. Now indices, I'm going to take NAS. Now I'm going to take the NAS. This NAS actually marked it, but I didn't take it. You can see it in profit. I traded the reversal. I wanted it to come down here then, but it reacted here before now NAS, you go to 4 hours time frame. I actually took a trade here as well, but I put the date there. Let's see what it was. See, I took a trade here. I marked this trade. I didn't take it to the 26th of October. I marked this trade. I took this trade actually. I marked it but didn't take it. Sorry. So yeah. Then now going forward, next week, I want to just do my analysis on the trade for next week. Now put this one aside. Or you can okay, I can put it. Just put it here. Now if you look at the NAS, I'm going to clean it. Now on the 4 hours, what we want to do is identify strong key levels. Now you can see that on the 4 hours, in fact even a daily, let's say a daily, let's see, okay, that's it clearer on a daily. Now you can see these areas, these are areas of interest. So what I want to do is to draw a line from between here and here, these two tips, you can draw a line, see in between these the two weeks, then take it further to meet the next area. You can see the reaction where the market has reacted. Now you can also draw this one as well as a level, and here you can see these two places reacting, reversals. You can draw this one as well. So what we want to do is we are waiting for the market to come out and break past here. Once you break past here, looking for what is sell, a retest and a sell. Now once it breaks out here, then you step to a 15 minutes time frame to enter and see how the market will be able to end, to give you a sell opportunity. Now let's go for US 30 or US 30. Now you can see the US 30. Go to 4 hours, top down analysis. Now I've even marked. I have to clean this one. See, I was predicting a sell here. That's why I put this sell 28th. I marked this thing as sell 28th of October. Expecting the market to reverse, but look at the market has broken this key level. Now let's just leave the levels like that. I want to take out this and make it clear. Now you'll see push to the upside on the 4 hours, push to the upside, a trend to the downside. Now the reaction here, this is a major support level, and a resistance up here. Now it has tried to find its way, retest, push to the upside. Look at this level I marked. Now it has gone up. So you pay attention to this point. I'll take this one out. Now it has broken this point. Now I'll be waiting for a retest. Then I'm looking for a clear candlestick to the upside, and I'm looking forward to a buy. So now always have in mind that the index, this is an index. NAS 100, US 30, these are index of the and these indexes, they work inversely proportional to the strength of the US dollars. If the US dollar is gaining strength, the indices will be weakening. So now the US dollar, this shows that the US dollar at this moment was gaining, or was losing strength, and while this one was gaining a push to the upside. So let's see how it goes in the coming week. I'm looking forward to buys in this particular indexes. This is FX smashing it. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe and share. Catch you in the next one, and always remember to trust the process.